Hello, welcome to AVW Codes. This is a video series on SQL. I have explained cross join along with example and demo in this video. What is cross join? A cross join combines each row in first table with each row in second table, creating every possible combination of rows. This is also known as Cartesian product. Because most of the result rows contains parts of rows that are not actually related, a cross join is rarely used. In fact, cross join is usually the result of accidentally omitting the join condition. The result of cross join can be very large and expensive. If the first table has n rows and second table has m rows, then the result contains n into m rows. For example, if the first table has 100 rows and second table has 1000 rows, the result set will contain 100,000 rows. This is the syntax that is used to perform cross join operation. We mention column names in select statement from table 1 cross join table 2. The output of cross join can be made more useful by applying filters in where condition. Suppose we have two tables. Table T1 with a column col1. It has 3 rows. Table T2 also has a column with same name col1. Table T2 has 4 rows. This is the query to perform cross join. We have mentioned T1.col1 with alias as T1_col1 and T2.col1 with alias as T2_col1 from T1 cross join T2. Please note this query contains no on clause and no filters. As shown in result, we have 12 rows. Every row from T1 is joined with every row in table T2. For demo, I am using sqliteonline.com. Just open the URL and you will get the editor to write SQL queries. Now we will create two tables and run some queries. Create table and insert statements are available in GitHub link shared in the description of this video. We will create table employee with 4 fields: ID, EMP name, city and DPT ID. Table department will have 2 fields: DPT ID and DPT name. Let me run queries to create tables and insert records. Let us see data in the table employee. Table employee contains details for 4 employees with IDs 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now let us see data in the table department. Table department contains fields like DPT ID and DPT name for DPT IDs as 100, 200, 400 and 500. We are doing cross join operation in this query. As shown in result, we have 4 into 4, that is 16 rows. We can add where condition in this query to get result same as when we will get by using inner join operation. E.dptid is equal to D.dptid. There is no relation while doing cross join operation, but we will put filter where dptid is matching from both the tables. After filtering results based on mentioned condition, we are getting 3 rows. This is how you can put filter to get meaningful results. That's it for this video. If you have any questions related to this video, please comment in the comment section. You can also email on avwcodes@gmail.com. All the queries used in this video are mentioned in the GitHub repository and the link is shared in the description. Please subscribe to this channel to get more videos and updates. I will see you in next video. Thank you and happy learning.